Investment Alerts Telegram channel. In this episode, I'm going to explain why I created this channel and how this channel will help long-term investors. This channel was created after a lot of people requested to give automatic alerts whenever we invest based on our investment strategy. Before we begin, let me tell you one simple thing. If you reduce number of decisions that you are taking while investing, then that will do a lot of good in your portfolio. And this channel will help you to do exactly the same. You should not be randomly taking any decisions because of market moves. Market might be crashing, market might be going up all the time, but it doesn't matter. You need to stick with your investment strategy, and you should not randomly or ad hocly make some decisions while investing. Every single thing that you do in investing should be well planned ahead, and this channel will help you to do exactly that. So what will you get as part of this channel? Number one, at the start of every month, you will get an alert automatically on how much I am planning to invest for this particular month. Let's say Nifty is down 21% from its lifetime high, then my investment would be 2x of my actual SIP. So if my SIP is 10,000 rupees every month, then I'll be investing 20,000 rupees for this month, and out of this 20,000 rupees, 10,000 will be automatically invested through SIP because it is already scheduled, and the remaining 10,000 rupees will be invested manually today, that is on day one itself. So likewise, at the start of every month, based on the current Nifty levels, you will get an alert. For example, right, in the next month, you have received another alert where Nifty is down 11% from its lifetime high. So you'll be investing 1.5x of actual SIP amount. So actual SIP amount is 10,000 rupees. So I'll be investing 15,000 rupees this month, and 10,000 will directly go through SIP, and I'll have to invest 5,000 rupees manually, and I'll do it right away. Likewise, every month you'll be getting an alert. In case if market is down only 9%, right, I'll just stick to my SIP, and the alert will clearly mention that. So this is a notification that you get at the start of every month. But in case if market falls down further below a threshold after this particular alert, an automatic alert will be sent later. For example, right, this month at the start of September 2020, there was an alert which asked me to invest only 10,000 this month, but on September 9 market went down below 10 percentage range. So this alert was automatically triggered, which asked me to increase the allocation for this month. So since the market has dropped below 10%, my actual investment for this month should be 1.5x, and this 10,000 rupees was already invested as part of SIP. So I have to invest manually 5,000 rupees today as per the strategy. Likewise, if market again goes down to 20% this month, right, I'll get one more alert, and I'll be investing additional amount according to the plan that I have. So this is the entire purpose of starting this channel. So you will just get a notification whenever I am planning to invest based on my strategy. And if you are following a similar strategy, then you can make use of these alerts as well. And in addition to this, all the investment related strategies or discussions that we have through YouTube, we'll be posting it in this channel going forward. In addition to that, whenever we come across any interesting stuff related to investing, we will post it in this channel. So this is all will be covered as part of Investment Alert Channel. If you think any other services can be added to this channel, you can let us know in the comment section of this video. We'll definitely consider it. And if you have any queries on this particular service, please do let us know. We'll clarify it. This channel is completely free for everyone. I'll leave the link to this channel in the description section of this video. You can join as well. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Goodbye.